Noting that this team is closer to the bottom of the table. Reademakers Arnett Garden team underestimated this team here tonight.
I don't think what underestimation. You know, of course, if you play against the top team, is internal motivation, and when you maybe play against the last person. But when I look at the game today, I don't think that was what costed us in the end. But some sharpness in front of the goal would have I think, changed this game if we had that in the first half.
Coach, in terms of attacking wise, there was some chances in the first half that you think probably would have been different. What do you think was more frustrating in that second half? Because it seemed that attacking wise, it just ran out of ideas in the final third, whether it's the final pass.
Yeah, I mean some pressure comes on as the game advances towards the 90 minutes, you know, and you see players get a little more impatient and choosing to kind of go for the long ball a little quicker. We saw that Faulkland also set back a little more, which now became more crucial for us to find gaps and openings by moving the ball quickly. So I think on those areas, even in this first half, we could have moved the ball better, be a little more accurate with our passing so we can pick up the speed of the game. And then you create more. And I think those are things that we look at and we have to improve on going forward.
What do you think is there those kind of options? Are you still looking in the transfer window to see if there are players that you would want to bring in to fix up those areas?
You know, as a team, especially when you still have a lot of football to play next season, you always look for players that might be good additions to the team. But I think us as coaching staff, we look at our current group that we have and we feel it's good enough for us to work with this group and to reach first place and win the trophy. But you know, you're always looking for certain areas where you can strengthen. We're always open for that.
How would you evaluate the first round of games now that the first round has come to a close, and what do you think you need for the stretch run for the next round of the season?
I think we have one or two more games before that first round finish, where you start to evaluate, and I think the consistency is something that we've been lacking the most. You know, we had some good performances, but we also had some performances where they look very, very poor. So it's the consistency and the quality. You know, more and more players go ahead fitting a lot of at the starting lineup. They started to understand that maybe better and more, even on the field, work with each other, create that chemistry. So I hope along with that, the consistency will get better.